boys out there trying to holler at a girl,
I can't let you go.
but at the end of the day, it wasn't successful. Feeling the same way?
But I got to.
The song's out to you.
I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'll do it like this.
I'm like CB, I'm chucking the deuces. I don't play with mix, I only want the truest. I'm a real man and I don't want no bullshit. I'm made up my mind and I won't regret this. It's time to start a new life. This time you ain't gonna be my future wife. It's like you my first and now my last. We shared no good times, mostly bad. And now, you just a memory. I reminisce on all the days when it was you and me. I don't wanna keep playing, I'm sick of love games. Cause every time I shared love with you, it was such a shame. I guess in the end we gotta part ways. To this day, I don't care what she has to say, but I hope, I pray that in the future there will be better days now.
Ain't thinking about you tonight.